Hi guys, it's Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a buttons galore and more incoming haul design team share, and I'm so excited with all the pretties I got this month. So let's get started. And I picked up a summer pack, and I was really pleasantly surprised with what came in this pack. You get a whole bunch of fun little goodies. So it does come with these little shade buttons, and you can obviously snip the back. But I love how cute these are. It comes with this really pretty sequins mix as well. Very beachy. Kind of reminds me of peacock too. A very pretty little mix. You get a bunch of fun summer colored buttons. So cute. You get this value pack, and honestly, you guys, with round trip, this, like, all of these little things can go. You got little airplanes, you got sand dollars, got a little airplane, palm trees. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Sand buckets, flip-flops, a cruise ship, I think that is. Fun little set. And then you get these little itty-bitty flip-flops. Oh, these are so darling and to die for. So excited for that kit. And then I'm gonna do the sequence last. There's a lot. So I did get a couple of the crystal embellishments. I'm obsessed with these. They're so pretty, and this purple is screaming Halloween. This is called the plum, but look at the iridescent on it. So pretty. I've got this color here, and there's not a color, but it's a kind of like an apricot orange. Lovely. And then I did pick up this set, and I think this is the pastel set. There is a duplicate. Well, I picked up two. Okay, so it comes with this peachy color. Yep, that's peach. This is the grape. I think this is lime. So you get 3 in a set. So pretty. And then I picked up this one, and this is raspberry. But look at the iridescent on that. Absolutely stunning. I picked up a couple of doodads because these are beautiful in shaker mixes. This is the Caribbean Sea. But you guys, look at all of the little itty bitties in here. So you got a little bit of tubing, some flat back jemmy, some sequins. So stunning. This is Gold Rush, but honestly I got it because it's all yellow. So pretty. This is Polar Wind. And isn't that a beautiful white? Perfect for like a winter project. This is Pink Frosting. Again, absolutely beautiful. I got Halloween. I'm trying to prepare slowly for Halloween. But this has all of the yummy colors. The oranges, the yellows, the purples, the little black tubing. So fun. And then let's go over the sequence. I did some major damage. I love to check out the sale section first, only because it's on sale. So let me see. Okay, so I got 2 of this one, and this is the metal. So you get, let me just show you, some fun gears in here, which is kind of cute. I like it a lot. But really the gold is just stunning. I also picked up, did I get 2 of these? Nope, just 1. This is called the lilac. Look how pretty this purple is. So pretty. I'm trying to stock up on different colors that I may not have in my stash. This is called Plum Fancy. And it's so pretty. And this is screams kind of a unicorn vibe. And this is called Pegasus. But I love the colors in this. So pretty. I picked up a green one. But what I love about this green is that there's some mint in here, and this is Heart of Atlantis. So it kind of not makes it so green. but I can add a little fun little accent color into this and I'll be chef's kiss. This one is called Think Pink. And you can see all of the hearts in there. So, so pretty. Got blush. And blush is just all of the iridescent pinks. So pretty. I seem to have 2 packs of Golden Hour. Again, you can't go wrong with gold. But this one has a whole bunch of different shapes and some iridescent. I love that there's a variety of sequins in these mixes. I've also got Sunshine because I needed a yellow pack in my life and this was absolutely perfect. I also picked up one of these jars. I wish I had the color in this, but let's just see if I can open this. It just has a lot of the pastels that I use regularly, and I think this is perfect as a starting base for any Maggie Holmes project. I think I got, yeah, I got 3 of these tins. These were on sale. This kind of looks like a Tuesday morning kind of label, but look at how, I don't know why they put this on sale because this mix is gorgeous. So pretty. Look at all those pinks. I can take this and add it to any one of these mixes and just really, like, look how pretty that would be. These two together. Oh, my heart. And of course I picked up 3 because pink is my jam. And then they gave me a free gift, which is so lovely. I think this would go perfect with a fall project. Look how pretty this is. And I just love their mix of buttons. I sometimes pick them out of my mixes or I'll leave them in depending on the size. And I will use it on a future project or embellishment. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy this haul. I'll leave my discount code down below if you do want to buy or stock up on any of these gorgeous beauties. And that is it for my haul today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.